Module 28, REPL. REPL stands for Read, Evaluate, Print, Loop. It's another way that you can write MicroPython code for some devices, other than the microbit. REPL is an interpreter. This means when you write a line of code, you can run it straight away to see what it does. The REPL connects to your microbit using a serial connection, i.e. the USB. You need to plug your microbit in, then connect the REPL software to the appropriate port. You might need some additional software to allow you to access the microbit, depending on your computer. You can find all the details on this website. There are different REPL translators that you can use. In this example, it is using PuTTY. You will get a command line interface where you can type MicroPython direct on the screen, and the microbit will run the code straight away, so make sure you are watching it. If on PuTTY, you can't type anything, press Ctrl+C to get the 3 arrows. You can now write code direct into the prompt, and it will run as soon as you click Enter. If you have code such as a loop or if statement, when you put the colon at the end and click Enter, the code will not run. It will automatically indent the code and continue doing this until you've finished. You then need to click backspace to move the cursor back to the very left-hand edge. Then click Enter and the code will run. You might need to stop the code running. For example, if you have a while true loop, you can't type any new code while it is running. In PuTTY, you can enter Ctrl+C to stop the current code. A soft reboot will reset the microbit and the code, so the variables you've used so far will be removed and you will need to start the program again. To do this, use the keys Ctrl+D.